Okay, for number 7, it's a mixture problem with nickels and dimes, so we need to draw our table. So remember, we're combining nickels and dimes, so there are rows, right? So here's nickels, dimes, and then here's our mixture of coins, right? And some people make this line a little thicker to show that the mixture's at the bottom. Okay, so then the top row is the number or amount of coins I have times the value of the coin equals how much money it's worth, right? So if I have 5 nickels, I would say 5 times 0.05, right? Okay, so now let's fill in the information we have. So I have 30 nickels and dimes, so that's the mix. I have that it's worth $2.40. That's the mixture is worth $2.40. And it says how many nickels do I have? So I have an unknown number of nickels, unknown number of dimes. And the value of a nickel is 0.05, and the value of a dime is 0.10, right? So the mixture each doesn't have a value, right? All right, so if I multiply across, I get nickel times 0.05. That's how much money I have in nickels. And then the second row, I have 0.10 times dimes. That's how much dimes I have. So the equations come from here and here. So the first equation is n plus d equals 30. Means the number of nickels plus the number of dimes is 30, right? And then the second equation is 0.05 n plus 0.1d. So how much money I have in nickels plus how much money I have in dimes equals $2.40, right? So we could do this a bunch of different ways. I could solve the top equation for d, right? So d equals 30 minus n. And the bottom equation stays the same. 0.05n plus 0.1d equals 2.40. And now we could use substitution, right? We could take 30 minus n and put it in for d, right? So the bottom equation then becomes 0.05n plus 0.1 times d, which is 30 minus n, equals 2.40. Now we distribute in 0.05n plus 30 times 0.1 is 3. Minus 0.1n equals 240. Now I have like terms, right? 0.05 minus 0.1. So that's negative 0.05 plus 3, 0.5n, right? Plus 3 equals 240. So let's go up here, right? So again, I have negative 0.05n plus 3 equals 240. Subtract 3 from both sides, so I have negative 0.05n equals negative 0.60. And then divide both sides by negative 0.05, negative 0.05, right? And we get n comes out to be 12, right? Now this question specifically said how many nickels do we have? So we have 12 nickels, right? Nickels. And if it asked for dimes, we could take, this equation, for instance, up here, and substitute in the 12 for n. 12 plus d equals 30. So d equals 18, and we would write 18 dimes. If it asked for it. It didn't in this case.